Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about cube of numbers in Vedic math. In many competitive exams, you need to find out cube of numbers and it takes lots of time to find it because in traditional method, what do we do? Suppose I need to find out cube of 15, then what do I need to do? I need to do multiplication of the 53 times like 15 times 15 times 15. So what do I do? 15 times 15. Whatever is my answer, I need to multiply it with 15 once again. So it takes lots of time. So how we can conserve time, how we can save over time and we can attend in a better way. So in Vedic math, we are having different methods. And we are going to discuss here Yavaduna method, which is the first method to find out the cubes in Vedic math. Friends, to find out cube of 2 digits and 3 digit numbers, we must have knowledge about the cubes of the 1 digit number. So I already mentioned them over here. Cube of 1 is 1. 2 cube is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 6 is 216. Cube of 7 is 343. Cube of 8 is 512. Cube of 9 is 729. And cube of 10 is 1000. You should remember these numbers. Okay, there is no other method like this is the you need to do with traditional method. So better you remember this. Now, what is Yavaduna method that I am going to explain you. First, we will discuss method and then we will solve some questions based on it. So, let's start. Let's say I need to find out cube of a number xy. Xy cube. X and y could be two different digits. Okay. So, what do I need to do? First, I will consider a is equals to xy, which is my original digit. Okay. What is the next step? Next step is we need to find out b, which is called base. Base of the number, it means we need to decide whether it is closer to 10, 100 or 1000. We always choose base as multiple of 10. Okay, so base, what is base? Base is 10 to the power n. Now we need to find out the difference or deviation. Deviation is what? It is the difference between number and base. So a minus b. These are the things you should know. Once you know these things, what are the steps? Steps are, we need to first find out, first step is, we need to find out a plus 2 times b. A is the original number, b is the difference between my original number and base. Second step. So then I need to do a plus 2 times b. Next step is a plus 2 times b minus base. Whatever is the difference, which is d. And third step is we need to find out cube of the last one. From where you would find it? You will find it from here. Got it? Okay. Then what is the next step? Next step is we need to follow the carry forward method. This is my first step. This is my second step, which is a plus 2 times b minus base times difference and b. So we need to find out this. And then we will follow the carry forward method of addition. If you have no idea what is carry forward method of addition, you can go through the previous videos. I have already explained it. And friends, once we start solving questions, you will definitely come to know what is carry forward method, and from these we will get our final answer. Hope you understand this concept. Once this concept is clear, you don't need to remember everything. What do you need to remember? You need to remember just this last step. You need to focus on these only. So let's solve few questions so you will get more idea about it. Let's start with the easiest example. Let's say we need to find out cube of 12. Okay. So friends, cube of 12. So what is my A? A is 12. Now it is closer to 10. So I can say that my base is how much? My base is 10. Now how much is the difference? Difference between 12 and 10, which is 2. So I can say it is positive 2. Now what is next step? Next step is we need to find out A plus 2D. A is 12 plus 2 times D, which is 4. So my first step is 16. So let me write 16 over here. My A plus 2D is 16. Now A plus 2D, which is 16, minus base. How much is my base? 10. And times difference. How much is the difference? Difference is of 2. 16 minus 10, which is 6. 6 times 2, which is 12. 12. So here I can say my answer is 12. Right. And last step is d cube. What is the differences of 2 and 2 cube is 8. So let me write it. Now, friends, let's have a look at this. How much is my base? Base is 10. How many zeros are there? There is just one zero, so there must be just one digit. So here just one digit. Let's write it over here. No carry forward. Here it is 12, but I need just one digit. So I will bring this 2 down and this 1 will go as carry. So this will become 17. So I can say that my final answer is 1728. Hope you understand this one. Let's take another example in which I need to find out cube of 105. So friends, if we start, our number is A is equals to 105. How much is my B? Base is, this number is closer to 100. So I can say that my base is 100. How much is the difference? I can say difference is 105 minus 100. So it is 5, positive 5, right? Now I need to find out A plus 2 times D. So A plus 2 times D, A is 105 and 2 times D, 2 times 5 which is 10. So it is 115. 115. So I can write here 115. Friends, now I need to find A plus 2D. It means 115. Minus base which is 100 times difference which is 5. So this is 15 and 15 times 5 which is 75. So I can write 75 in this step. And next one is D cube. D is division which is 5 or you can say it is difference and 5 cube is 125. So here it is 125. Now final step is how much is my base? My base is 100. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So this 2 digits I will keep as it is. So it is 25. 1 will go as carry. So it will become 76. But again 2 digits. So I will write them as it is. So 76. No carry forward. So and this is last. I can't take carry forward. So I can write 1, 1 and 5. So this is my final answer to cube of 105. You can check it with calculator. Here you can see that my base is always less than my original number. That's what I took into examples. Now let's say the base is greater than the given number. Then how to do? Let's see one more example of it. Now let's say we need to find out cube of 96. So what is A, friends? A is the original number which is 96. 96 is closer to 100, so I can say that my base is 100. Now, how much is the difference? This is very important. Huh? Difference is A minus B. It means 96 minus 100, which is negative 4. Because 96 minus 100 subtraction, it means 4 and 100 is greater with negative sign, so it should be minus 4. This is concept of integer. Now next one is we need to find out A plus 2 times D. So A is how much? 96. 2 times D plus 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So friends, ideally we are going to do subtraction. So it is 88. So A plus 2D is 88. Now what do I need to do is 88 minus 100 which is base times difference which is negative 4. 88 minus 100 which is negative 12 and this is negative 4. So it is positive 48. Keep these things in mind. And cube of 4 is 64. But friends, here the number is negative 4. So I can say that negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. 4 cube is 64. This side is 3 times. So I should write them negative. So it is negative 64. But friends, you know very well we cannot have these negative numbers. So we need to find out complement of it. Question would be how? These numbers should be reduced by 1. So it will become 47. And this should be done with 100 minus 64. And keep this 88 as it is. Now 100 minus 64 is how much? It is 36. This one is 47 and 88. My base is 100. Everything is of 2 digits, so I can write that 88473. This is cube of 96. Hope you have understand the concept. Friends, don't forget this fundamental. If digit is negative, you need to follow the rules of integers. So this is all about Yavadunam method. This method is having one limitation. You can find out cube of numbers which are closer to multiple of 10. Like if I say that my cube is 156, then it will be difficult to find it out. Then we cannot follow this method. So this method is having limitation. Definitely in Vedic math, we are having another methods as well in which you can easily find out the another way to find out cube of such numbers, which we will see in the next class. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Friends, if you have really enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching videos on my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.